Hello everyone, it's Melissa and welcome back to my channel. Are you ready to create with the newest Softlex Company design kit, Double Rainbow? On this tutorial, we will be creating a necklace with this adorable ceramic hot air balloon. Links down below in the description for the products used in this video, as well as a tutorial playlist for all the designs created with the Softlex Company design kit, Double Rainbow. And before we start creating, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. It helps me reach my goal of 1,000 subscribers. Let's start creating. So all the beads I am using and a fun little special embellishment is from the Softlex Company Design Kit. You will just need a jump ring as well as one head pin for this part of the necklace. So we're going to add our hot air balloon to a head pin. And then I'm going to use one of these little kind of matte clear beads just because I had an odd number from the Jesse James bead mix. We're going to be making a loop and I am using my one-step looper and a 1.5 millimeter. We're just going to gently slide it in to our tool and give it a squeeze. Also, a great way or a little tip is if you add a bead on top of like a ceramic bead or a gemstone bead, it prevents it from chipping with the tool. We want to make sure that our loop is completely closed, so we're going to bring in our round nose pliers. And then I'm going to attach a 6 millimeter jump ring. So we have our little charm. We're going to give it a close. You should hear a little click when you know it's secure. We're just going to set that off to the side for just a moment. We're going to add in our Softlex wire in a beautiful purple amethyst. It came in the kit. And then we are using the beads with a mix of the crystal mix and beads from the Jesse James bead mix. And I'm going to be working on the spool. It just acts as a bead stopper. And I love how the Softlex wire will show through your design. It just kind of adds to the beautiful creation. And if you didn't buy this kit, you can always just buy the bead mix separately. And I'll have the link for that down below. Like with the Jesse James bead mix, it's just kind of a little random mix of everything. I love these beautiful beads. These are about a 10 millimeter, maybe 11, but they're so sparkly. When I first opened the kit, all I thought of was sun catchers. So we have our beads added on. So sparkly. We're just going to slide it on just like a bead. And I'm going to add the same beads on the other side. So we have all the beads added on. We're just going to be adding on 2 2x2s. So I'm going to take one of the 2x2s and add it to my Softlex wire and then pass back through. This is going to create a little loop. And it's up to you how big you would like your loop to be. Then we're just going to take our pliers and just give it a little squeeze. This is going to flatten our 2x2. And I'm just going to rotate. I'm going to round my 2x2 and just give it a more professional finish. We have just a little bit extra of the Softlex wire, so I'm just going to trim that with my pliers. I'm going to slide our beads down, and then I'm just going to cut a good working length of my Softlex wire. We're going to add on the 2x2 and do the same thing on the other side. We're going to pass back through. Sure that our loops are fairly the same size. You don't have to be perfect. You just want them similar. Give it a squeeze and rotate. And then we do have extra Softlex wire, so I'm just going to trim that. And be sure to always save your Softflex wire. You'll never know when you'll need it for a future project. Now, I know in the beginning of the tutorial, I did mention that this would be a necklace, so this looks really small for a necklace. You could maybe use it as a bracelet. You would just attach your clasp, but we're going to be adding in our little special embellishment. And that was this beautiful rainbow ribbon that our Softflex company design kit. So this string that it came in is a little too long, so I'm just going to trim it. So we're just going to need two 6 mm jump rings and then two ribbon endings or cord endings. Let's move our necklace off to the side. And I did this design with the ribbon or a similar design with the ribbon from the Star-Crossed Lovers kit. So we're just going to add one of our sides of ribbon. It's going to take our pliers. Be a little tricky sometimes. Take our pliers and give it a little squish. We want to make sure that we flatten it down completely. Trying not to smash our little fingers. Do the same thing on the other side, and then we're just going to keep giving it a squish. It's probably better to use flat nose pliers than chain nose pliers. And if there's any ribbon coming out the other side, you can just trim that. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. This is a great design technique is if you have like really heavy beads and you don't want to, add beads to the whole part of the necklace, you can do a fun and festive ribbon. We're going to do the same thing on the other side. You can really use all of the Softflex company design kit, from the packaging to the beautiful beads and items inside. And we're just going to flatten that down. And we have our finished cord. So we have an open jump ring. We're just going to attach it to one side of the Softflex wire. To the other side, we're going to attach it to the little ribbon cording and give it a close. If you wanted to, you could attach some more little embellishments to it. Also, if you wanted to add a clasp, you could just open a jump ring or use a smaller jump ring and attach your clasp and have an asymmetrical design. And we're going to do the same thing on the other side and give it a close. We have our beautiful necklace with our ceramic hot air balloon from the Softflex Company Design Kit Double Rainbow, and then our beautiful rainbow cording. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. It helps my little channel grow. And check out down below in the description for more tutorials featuring this fabulous design kit and more necklace inspiration. Have an awesome day.